So in this video, you'll learn how to transfer files from your Samsung Galaxy A36 to your USB flash drive. So all you need to do is simply open the Files app, and then from here, you want to go to wherever the files are that you want to transfer. So you can find them in the category section or even in internal storage. And then from here, locate the file that you wish to move. Once you found the file or files that you want to move, you just want to select them like this on your phone. So long press on the file and select it. Then you can choose multiple of them and then choose your transfer method. So you have the option to move or to copy, completely up to you to decide which option you prefer. And then once you select your transfer method, you need to choose your destination. So by default, it will still be in internal storage. So you just want to select the option USB storage, and then you want to choose whether you want to transfer it directly like that, or you can choose to use any of the folders created on your USB flash drive, or you can create your own folder if you want to. Once you've chosen your destination on your USB flash drive, just select move or copy here and wait for the process to complete itself. Once it's done, navigate back to the main files menu and then go to your USB storage section. From here, you can now see all the files that you've just transferred wherever you set the destination to. So again, here they are listed right here for me to now just tap and be able to view from either my phone or on any other device that I connect my flash drive to. And so that's how you can transfer files from your A36 to your flash drive. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.